Okay, all of you, now you can hear. I have sent one link for you. There you can join and you can come because here are some problem they have used. So quickly join here. So now you can join over here. Okay. So all of you can hear, yes? Okay. I think it is you can check the video once again. Now it is audible. Now it is audible. Okay, join here, join here. That connection problem it was, so it was not here. So they are doing the work over here. So they might have done that. So let it be. Join here, join here. Okay. Actually, it is very difficult to manage over here because one side I have to type, one side I have to see the connection, so it will be take little bit more time, no? So for setting purpose it was exactly, but now you can join over here and we can continue. Okay, so that is the problem we have left. Okay, all of you them tell them to join quickly. Okay, I want to see how many of you have joined because some of you have not joined till. So 1 second we will wait for them. Only 1 minute. Okay. Okay. All of you have joined here. Yes. Now it is all clear. Yes. No problem at all. Yes. Oh, okay. All of you are joined. All of you are joined. So how many of you are here now? At present, how many of you are here? So 18 members are here. Okay. Let us start. No problem. So those who have not got that link, tell them to join if it is possible. Otherwise, we will start. Okay, all of you are here. Yes, once again you have to check that because several members are offline, till offline. So let us start actually. So here we have to continue. So here what they have given to prove that BC is parallel to QR. So to prove that BC is parallel to QR, we have to consider triangle OQR first. OQR, when we are taking in that triangle, OB divided by BQ is equal to OC by QR. If we prove this, then we can say that this BC and QR are parallel. How to prove that? For that purpose, we have to take one triangle, that in triangle OPQ. In triangle OPQ, they have already given. Okay, sorry, I have not changed the scene. Okay, in triangle OPQ. Now it is okay. Now you can check. Yes. Yes. Okay. In triangle OPQ, they have to given that AB is parallel to PQ. So AB is parallel to PQ. When we have to see that by which theorem we can apply for this. Which theorem we can apply for this? Which theorem we can apply for this? AB parallel to PQ. Which theorem we can apply? So in triangle OPQ, that AB is parallel to PQ. Which theorem you are going to apply? Quickly. BPT theorem. Yes, by BPT. or by basic proportionality theorem, or you can write down by Thales theorem. By Thales theorem, you can say that OA divided by AP, that is equals to OB divided by BQ. Understood? You can say that this two things, that is OA divided by AP, that is equals to OB divided by BQ. Okay. So now what is the next step? The next step is very easy again. So if it is this one, have to take as a what? Equation 1. Okay. Next we have to consider one more triangle. Which is the one more triangle now? What they have given? They have given the first triangle, we have already taken. Now we have to consider the second triangle. Which is the next triangle we have to consider? What they have given here? AC parallel to PR. Which is the AC over here? AC means this one. AC this one and PR is this one. So AC parallel to PR they have given. AC parallel to PR in which triangle? That is POR. In triangle POR. This triangle we have to consider. Okay, this triangle we have to consider. So we have to write it down that. So next step, in a triangle OPR, in triangle OPR, what they have given? According to that, AC is parallel to PR. Okay, AC is parallel to PR, that they have given. So according to that, we can draw one more triangle for that, and I can write down here O over here, and R over here, and P is over here. So this triangle, what we can see, P I have written over here. So this is P actually, this is P, not R, this is P. So P is over here, ORP or OPR. Okay, so in between OP we have A, and in between OR we have C. So we have to join them. So these two are parallel, they have given already. So according to the BPT or Thales theorem, by BPT theorem, we can say that OC divided by CR, that is equals to OA divided by AP. Understood? This is equation 2. So what we have written over here, just to check, OC divided by CR, that is equals to OA divided by AP. Okay, so equation 2 and equation 1. So we have to get that OB divided by BQ, that is equals to OC divided by CR, that we have to prove actually. So how to prove that? So this one we have to prove. So how to prove that? So here these two are we have to prove. The equation 1 and equation 2, if you will compare it correctly, OA divided by AP over here and OA divided by AP is over here. So OA divided by AP is equals to OA divided by AP. Yes, both the side we have OA divided by AP, both the side we have. So what is the next thing we can say? So I will take little bit down. So by equation 1 and 2, by equation 1 and 2, just to check here, OA by AP, OA by AP. So what is left? That is, left is nothing but OB divided by PQ, that is equals to OC by CR. I have informed you already. So one side, if it is equal, one thing is equal, then the other two things are equal to one another. So by equation 1 and 2, we can say that OB divided by PQ, that is equals to OC by CR. Understood? So because here OA by AP we have on the equation 1, and equation 2 also again same thing, OA by AP, OA by AP, OA by AP. Both sides we have the same thing. So what is the next left is OB by BQ is equals to OC by CR. That will be what? Equal only. Okay. So any doubt if you have, you can ask over here. And this is not your answer. This is not your answer. Several members, you have shown your homework for me, but I have not got the final answer. Because their final answer they have not given. We have proved this. So here see, OB by PQ, that is equal to OC by CR, we have proved. Yes, both the sides we have same. But what actually they have told you to prove? See that question. Show that BC parallel to QR. You have to prove here BC is parallel to QR actually. Understood? We have not proved that. We have to prove that BC parallel to QR. How to prove that BC divided by parallel to QR? So same diagram we have to draw now. So BC is over here in the here, and QR is over here. So I will rub down this one part, you can understand better, you can understand. So here you can check it correctly. BC parallel to QR we have to prove, that is nothing but in triangle OB OQR, that I have done here. So similarly thing we have to write in a triangle OQR, that is the bottom triangle. O is over here, so we will see O is over here, then Q is in the bottom and R. Q is over here and R is here, and this one is B and this one is C. So in triangle OQR, this one by equation 3 no? So by equation 3, OB by BQ, that is equals to OC by CR. Therefore by converse of BPT or Thales theorem, okay, converse of BPT, we can say that BC is parallel to QR, because they have given the ratios are equal, means OB divided by BQ they have given, and OC divided by CR they have proved. Yes, actually we have proved this. Yes, so if it is so, what will happen? This BC and QR must be what? Parallel. So this is the thing you will not do. If you will not write this value, this is what we have done lastly, that if you are not right, you are not going to get the full marks. They will deduct minimum 1 or 1.5 for out of 3 or 4. Remember that. So anyone, if you have a doubt, you can ask. Okay. So I have written this here. This I have written, that only reverse I have done at the last, because we have to understand why we have to take that. So for that purpose we have to see. And one more easy thing I will tell you. Okay, the easy method I will inform you. So whenever like this question it will come, some of you are very intelligent, then you can understand, but for some of you it will not be easy. Yes, so that time how to solve this type of problem, how to understand that type of problem, for that one thing I will tell you. Like this, a triangle, when it is given, just you think that which is the common. They have told you to prove here BC parallel to QR. Yes, BC parallel to QR means that which are the other two triangles that they have given, that is OQP and OPR, that two triangles are given. Means these two triangles are what? Given actually. So in this two triangle, what is common? Actually this one they have told you to prove, so we can't take no. This triangle they have told you to prove, means that BC parallel to QR they have told you to prove, so that I can't take. So which I can take now? Which one I can take? That is OQR, that is OQP and OPR, that two triangles I have to consider. In this two triangle, which side is common? Answer. In triangle OQP and OPR, which side is common? OP is common. So see here, OP is common in both the side thing, so we can consider that OP. Okay, OP is common, so I have to consider that OP. So everything is based on this OP now, because you can check over here the final step what we have done. See here, that is based on O we have and Q we have, O we have. Okay, that is OPS. That is important, means here you can check that. Sorry, not this one, the previous one. Here OA by AP. See here, O and P we have common thing. Here you can check, O we have and P we have. Here also we can see O we have and P we have, means it is similar. So which side is similar, that is very important. So which is common side, according to that we can prove it. So here OP, so in that we have midpoint, that is A. So OA divided by AP is common in the both the triangles. So like this way we have to consider. If the triangle is different, I will give one more similar problem. You have to tell me what is the equal thing in this. Okay, so all of you glance, what is the equal thing, which side is equal, how to prove that, you have to inform me. We have one more triangle over here, and this triangle I will ask you the same type of triangle I will draw. So because some of you will find difficulty, I will write this one, I will take as a D, and this one is E, and this one is F. Okay, and here I will take point in between. The same diagram I will draw, but different interruption, means the points I will give you X, Y, and Z over here. So if you think like this diagram we have, and if I will tell you to prove that XY is parallel divided by DE, sorry, XY is parallel to DE, if I will tell you to find, okay, XY parallel to DE, if I will tell you to find, what are the two things I might have given? What are the two things I might have given? Means which is a common thing you are going to take now. If you want to find this, XY and DE have to prove as what? To prove as parallel. So which are the things you will consider over here? Which are the triangles you will consider? Which is a common side you will consider? Quickly. If you want to prove XY is parallel to DE, which are the triangles you will consider, or which is a common side you will consider?